Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video we're going to be doing a glueless wig install featuring WestKiss Hair. So they sent me over a glueless wig. That means we don't have to do too much work. That means we can be in and out, go on our errands, get out the house, go wherever you need to be. Quick, easy hairstyle, and that's what we love, especially for the summer when it's hot. And I know a lot of the girls out there, you don't want to deal with the wigs where you got to glue it down and it's hot outside and your lace is lifting. Not cute. So we're going to get into this wig from WestKiss. So I'm just starting off with my hair braided up. I just have 2 French braids and my hair tied in the back just to help put it away. So let's get into what's in this box from WestKiss. So we have a 16-inch, we have a medium cap size, and this is undetectable lace HD lace skin melt transparent. So it comes in here, and then also, you guys know I always get into the little accessory goodies. Comes with a cute bonnet, and this is perfect because I actually needed an extra bonnet. So yes, thank you WestKiss, I needed that. Perfect, perfect, perfect. It does come with a wig cap. It comes with some 3D lashes. It comes with a edge control brush. Needed a new one of these. I feel like I always need a new edge control brush. It comes with these. I'm not too sure what this is. These little sticky things. If you guys know, leave a comment. And then the band, I guess, to help melt your lace, and then a little bag to store your hair in. So let's actually look at what the hair looks like. I'm excited because y'all know summer's around the corner, so a good curly install is needed. Okay, wow, and the hairline isn't super thick or anything, so like it looks nice. Okay, WestKiss. Cute, cute, cute. Let's take that off. Okay. So, it has the band, so it can be all nice and tight. And clips. The lace already looks kind of dyed in a sense. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and put her on. So here's a quick hair texture check. Curly. Okay, let's just go ahead and put her on. Just to get thankful that I had days full of you. Before it winds down into the memories, it's all just memories now. Don't you love when I come around? Somebody to fill you up, then I take you down. Don't you love when I come around? I gotta get my hair out the way. But I'm so glad I did a medium cap, because a small cap would have been way too small on me. I'm gonna need my spray bottle. Yeah, I'm gonna need my spray bottle so we can make this cuter. Just like lay the hair down some, but this is what it's like fresh out the box. This is the curls. Yeah, let me wet this hair. Okay, I'm back. I literally just drenched my hair in water. Like, look at my shirt, y'all. Look at my shirt. But it looks so much better just wet, and so I could get the top flat, because yeah, so this is the only hair gel I have right now. Hair gel is the Gorilla Snot Gel. I would honestly recommend for you guys to use mousse. I feel like mousse works amazing on curly hair wigs. But if you don't have any mousse, you can use gel. It's just gonna probably make the hair a little bit more crunchy. But I'm just gonna apply some at the top because I want that top flat. I do not like that bulky wig look. And then I'm just gonna run some through the hair because, as y'all can see at the end, the hair is gonna get bigger throughout the day anyway because it's curly hair, so it's gonna poof. But if you add some like gel, you can keep your wet look. So up close texture shot, very pretty hair. Of course, make sure this is really pretty hair for the summertime. Honestly, this Got To Be is doing good too. I don't think it'll be too crunchy. It's not really a crunchy gel like that. The quality of this hair is really good. It had a little bit of shedding when I was wetting it and just running my fingers through it, which shedding's pretty normal, so I'm not gonna make a big deal out of that. But yeah, this is just how I would personally style it. So easy. Did not need to use any glue or anything like that. Just an easy glueless wig install. And the lace is already cut for you, which makes it so much easier to deal with. So really good style for the summer. I will have all of their information linked in the description box below for you guys, plus a discount code so you can save some money on your purchase. But this is our final look. You are ready to go and set for the summer. So hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.